Hey guys, welcome back to Office Advice. Today I'm going to show you how you can freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. So just imagine you've got this table in front of you containing data about your employees and you want to search for data for specific employees. But when you do so, you want the first row containing the column headers to be always on screen. When using Microsoft Excel's default view, this is not the case. So if you scroll down, the first row is not visible anymore. But how do you fix this? Well, by using Microsoft Excel's Freeze Panes tool. To freeze panes in Excel, you just select the View tab and select Freeze Panes. Here you are met with three options. By selecting Freeze Top Row, the first row in the dataset, in this case the row containing all the column headers, gets frozen onto the screen. So if you scroll down, it is still visible. If you want to reverse this option, you basically just have to click on Unfreeze Panes. By selecting Freeze First Column, the first column gets frozen onto the screen. So if you scroll to the right, the first column always stays visible. You can also reverse this by clicking onto Unfreeze Panes. But what if you want to freeze multiple rows and/or columns at the same time? Well, that's pretty easy as well. So just imagine you want to freeze the first 4 columns of your dataset as well as the first 2 rows of your dataset. To do this, you have to select the cell that is just right of the columns you want to select, as well as just below the rows you want to select. In this case, it's the cell E3. After selecting the right cell, you have to click on Freeze Panes once again and select the first option called Freeze Panes. And voila, you're done. The first 4 columns as well as the first 2 rows of your dataset are selected, are frozen, and always remain on screen. If you want to reverse the selection, you just have to click on Unfreeze Panes and everything is back to default. And that's it. That's how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. If you liked the video, please make sure to leave a like as well as to subscribe to my channel. If you have any problems regarding Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, or any Office software you use on a daily basis, just make sure to leave a comment below and let me try to help you. I wish you all a wonderful day. See you next time.